Hello! Today we'll be answering some of the main questions we get asked daily, which will hopefully clear up any uncertainty or queries you may have.
Can I deliver my currency to you in person? The answer is yes. We've remained open throughout the coronavirus pandemic, and we've taken measures to make sure our customers remain safe so that our services can continue as normal and you can still cash in on your foreign currency. When you visit our offices, face masks must be worn at all times, a social distance of 2 meters must be kept, and hand sanitizer has been made available for everybody to use.
Is it safe to post my currency to you? Sending your currency in the post or by courier is completely safe. You can find our video guide on the best ways to package and post your currencies here. For more information on how to exchange with us, click here.
Can I use your services even if I don't live in the UK? Most certainly, yes. We've helped people from all continents exchange their leftover currency for cash.
Can I trust you to pay me for the leftover currency and coins I send? As we are a registered money service business supervised by the HMRC, you can absolutely trust in us to pay you for your currency. To put your mind at rest, you'll find that we are one of the highest rated currency exchange services on the global consumer review website Trustpilot. You can find a link to thousands of reviews our customers have posted down in the description.
How long will it take for me to get paid? We aim to pay you within 5 working days, starting with the day we received your currency. It takes 1 to 3 days to process your currency before we pay you. The time it takes for you to receive your payment depends on your chosen payment method.
Are there any fees? We don't charge any fees or commission here at Leftover Currency. You'll receive a payout based on the exchange rates shown on our website. But please be aware that PayPal charges a fee of 20p plus 3.4% of the amount received. If you live outside of the UK, the PayPal fees for international payments apply.
What do you do with the currency after I send it to you? This depends on if the currency has any monetary value. If it does, we send it back to the country of origin. If the banknotes or coins have become demonetised, we either sell them to collectors or at trade shows and auctions.
Can I send multiple currencies together? Yes, absolutely. Click here for our unboxing videos to see how we separate different currencies from all around the world.
Is there a minimum or maximum amount I can send to you? No, we process all transactions, big or small. However, please note, for higher value transactions, we will require further information from you in order to comply with money laundering regulations.
I have currencies that are not pictured or listed on your website. Can I still exchange them? We can exchange pretty much any currency you have, new and old. If the currency you have is not listed on our website, please feel free to get in touch with us and we'll let you know the value. Alternatively, you can send us your questions in an email to info@leftovercurrency.com. We'll make sure to answer these in a new Q&A video at some point in the near future.
We hope this has answered a few of your questions, and if you have any more queries, please leave them in the comment section below.
In the meantime, be sure to check out our other videos, like and subscribe. We wish you all the best, take care, and we'll see you soon.